beautiful cats and kittens. Welcome to Wrapsesh.
Sheesh.
Wrapsesh. Wrapsesh. Welcome to Wrapsesh. I'm Final Vixen. This is Thresh. And this is Slim Shady. And today we're doing a, come on. There's a pee-pee in my face. I'm Final Vixen. This is Slim Shady.
This is.
No. I
And
just said one thing, Thresh.
You can't eat my face.
You're killing
Hey,
me.
that's her bow. Don't. She's eating your.
Okay, today we're gonna be featuring some of our latest and greatest custom helmet wraps from the last 6 months. We do so many helmets, it's actually insane. We do a lot of baby dock bands, which if you guys are unfamiliar,
For me, yeah.
if you guys are unfamiliar, these are the baby shaping helmets that a lot of infants will have to get.
And they're all different shapes and sizes. Too.
Yeah, yep. So we actually limit ourselves to only doing 3 of those a week. And that's like actually limiting ourselves. If they had the choice, we would have
They
one or
take
two a
about
day.
an hour to do.
Yes, they do take an hour.
So like, I mean, it fills up your week pretty quick if you have too many of them. So.
Yeah. We also do these at like a family discount price since these are medical devices and they're not usually covered by insurance. So we try to hook them up. You know, we charge under $50 usually to do the design, print, and installation of those dock bands. They're very rewarding projects for us, even though they're not big money makers. It's always nice to see the smile on the kid's face or the family's face, like they're so excited to customize it.
Yeah, I feel like it's more for the parents for sure, because like parents are always like, oh my gosh, every time they get it, you know.
Yeah, like
they're
instead of it
super
being
excited.
a medical device, it's
Yeah.
like a personalized
Make
little accessory.
the babies look cute.
Yeah, it's pretty cute. So we actually print that on a high-tack film using our Muto 1682 SR eco-solvent printer. And then we have all of our normal helmets, normies, which are
Norms.
street bike helmets, motorcycle helmets, racing helmets,
Helmet
half
helmets.
aviation helmets,
Yeah,
bicycle helmets, anything you could put on your head, you could probably wrap it.
As long as it's got a nice surface.
Yes, correct. Although unfortunately we seem to be doing matte ones all the time.
Yeah.
Everyone buys a matte helmet. Don't do that if you want it wrapped. Yeah, they're super hard, really complex, because obviously you are putting a 2D piece of vinyl onto a globe, essentially, and trying to make it symmetrical, and you have to do a lot of really sneaky fuse seams and
The design has to fit the helmet.
yeah, it is a very complex thing, and I feel like we're one of the very few shops that do it because we get helmets shipped in from out of state, like all the time.
We're definitely the only shop in the state that does it. I'm pretty sure.
Maybe not the only one, but yeah. I mean, I get people that call from out of state and they're like, I've been trying everyone locally, you know, and out of state, and nobody can take these on. So.
And I know why. I mean, it's definitely they're hard to do. They're very hard to do,
Yeah.
and it's hard to guarantee the longevity of it because
Yeah.
it's such a stretched, rounded surface. And unless you take all the precautions you can, you know, you're gonna probably have something come up over time.
Yeah, so it's kind of a risky business. We definitely have to charge to make it worth our time, but we usually get a pretty awesome end product.
Yeah, usually turn out pretty good.
Yeah, super awesome. And of course, I always recommend ceramic coating your helmet wraps. It
yeah.
makes a big difference on longevity.
Fingers, they're always being touched.
Fingers. You want fingers, you don't want them. Yeah, check it out.
Oils.
you guys want to go above and beyond, or this way. If you want to go above and beyond with a custom helmet wrap or a baby doc band wrap or some other kind of wrap, we probably do it. You can hit us up at wrapseshaz@gmail.com. If you want to keep up with our daily fun, make sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And Tickety Talk at wrapsesh.az and Vinyl Vixen Wraps. And Thrush is still licking himself. It's been like 5 minutes. Hello.
He does this every time.
That's enough.
He has to be.
That's enough. Okay.
No, but it's my arm.
Okay, no more.
It's my arm.
Thank you. Okay. And you can subscribe and things and stuff if you like the vibe. I think that covers it.
Sure.
You can't let me small.
Why?
Cause my shirt says so. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Oh, Dress, no.